And how you add overlay, overlay is b-roll. So it's like, think you've got your talking head, but then you've got a video that's playing on top of that video. So I'm going to click overlay, and I'm going to choose, I want a b-roll. So I'm going to choose this video here. This video looks like a b-roll. I'm going to select that video and I'm going to click next. And as you can see, that video is now on top of the video where I'm talking. I could decide to shrink this video and move it to the side. And if I play both videos, you will see that both videos are playing. Now, what you want to do with your overlay, in case it has sound, you want to click on the overlay, and then you want to click on volume, and you want to reduce the volume for that overlay. And then now, as you can see, they're both playing. And let's say you just want the overlay just for a short period of time. You can cut that too, the same way you cut the first clip, okay? Or, let's see. So you can click on the clip and then you can press split and then you can delete the part that you don't want. Or you can click on the clip and you can hold and drag on either side. So that's how you edit multiple clips in TikTok.